In front of me is on our pad V9, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on About Tablet at the bottom. Then click on device name over here. And finally type in whatever you want to, like Sunny. When you finished, select OK. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!